Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching this video and whenever you come across this video. I'm recording this video tutorial for my student in my Facebook page monetization group on WhatsApp. So I'm going to teach you guys everything you need to know on Facebook page growth and monetization. So sit back and watch. So first of all, I have to list out the steps one can use to grow monetize his or her Facebook page. Number one is you have to use ad, which is Facebook ad. You want to grow a page. Number two is you have to use influencers or use paid shout out. Number three is you have to use groups. Number four is you have to collaborate with your fellow content creators. Number five is that you have to post constantly every single day, both normal posts and reels. So now let me break it down. Let me start with Facebook ad. This video is meant specifically to explain about Facebook ad, the role it plays in growing your Facebook page, and also to change some misconceptions and some misinformation that people always have about Facebook ad while growing your page. So in this subsequent video, I'm going to explain others. So now, when you use Facebook ad to grow your page, the followers that is going to follow your page are all organic followers, which means they're all real human beings. Facebook will not give you bots. All of you in my group all came into my group through Facebook ad. So the same way you guys came to my group through my ad on Facebook, it's the same way people will follow your page through Facebook ad. Now in that Facebook ad, we have different ways, different type of Facebook ad you need to use on your page. Number one is page like ad. Number two is video view ad. Number three is engagement ad. Number four is traffic ad. Then I can say number five is posting anyway. Then I will explain to you why I don't really recommend posting. So number one, let me explain Facebook page like ad on Facebook is meant specifically for people to follow your page. That is the primary role. You're likely to get some views. You're likely to get views, especially if you use videos. I will always recommend videos so that it will reduce your cost per page like. Then, if you can use image, but it's likely to increase your cost per page like so. Then, secondly, another one is video view. The video view, the work it does is that it is meant specifically for people to watch your video. Maybe you're the type that do record long videos, and I want Facebook to show your ad to people who likes to watch videos on Facebook. Facebook is going to show your ad to people that are in your audience. So they're going to watch your video through your video view. You are likely to get engagement, shares, comments, which falls under engagement. But the primary role of video view ad is for you to get for you to get people who will watch your videos. Then we have engagement ad. The engagement ad, like I said, it is meant specifically for engagement. Then it is for people to engage with your post, with your video. You can use image, you can use video. If you use image, fine. People will engage, like, share. If you use video, people will watch the video, engage, and like and share. Then we have traffic. Traffic is to send people away from Facebook to other places like TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, even your WhatsApp, or wherever you are hosting your content. So if you want people to go from Facebook to other places and you want to set it on Facebook ad, you set it on Facebook ad, sending people from Facebook to other places. Then we have boosting. Now, what the boosting is when you go to your page, you have option for Facebook. Facebook will just give you an option for you to just boost. They tell you to boost. You just click boost. You set up the add the your credit card details and the add your card details and the boost. So one of the reasons why I don't recommend that is that it is a one dimension type of ad. It just gives you engagement. Shikana. It doesn't really give you views. it will it doesn't really give you followers. It don't even give you followers because many of you will just start boasting your post. I've seen many people telling me, which I've posted my posts and it's not giving me followers. I keep on getting engagement. The purpose of boasting is just for you to get engagement. You can have more reach and all stuff like that. There are ads for that, like which I have mentioned earlier, page like ad. So that is why you should know all these things. And for you to be able to do all these things, you need to set it up. Set up all these ads on your ads manager. We have what we call ads manager accounts, which every Facebook account comes with. But on posting, you only set it up to your page. You see the difference now. And now the Facebook Ads Manager account has more features. That is where the whole Bobo Tigbo of Facebook is. So it has a lot of features that posting doesn't have. It gives you different varieties. The other four that I mentioned earlier all can be possible with Facebook Ads Manager account, but it's not possible with boosting. So I think I've been able to educate you on Facebook ad and why you have to use it on your listing. Remember, like I said, the followers are real. They are real human beings. If you guys in my group, if you believe they are not real, that means you that is watching this thing, because I know you are in my group, you are not real. Because if you are not real, then the people Facebook is going to show bring are not real. But if you are real, they are real. And what Facebook does is that they know the people that normally follow people's page. So what they're going to do is to show your content to them. And once they show your content to them, those people will follow your page. There's an option for them to follow your page. The call to action button on your ad, we write something like or follow. It will instruct them on what they will do and they will do it. And once they do it, Facebook deducts money from your ad account. Understand? And remember, Facebook operates from the money you spend on ad. So there's no way running ad will affect your page negatively, because without running ad, Facebook will not have enough money to run their business. 90% of their revenue comes from ad. So Facebook wants your money. That's why they will never punish you for giving them your money. So anyway, let me stop this video because it's taking too long. So see you guys in the next video.